Hey guys, if you want to make your PHP code more beautiful or if you want to practice PHP in your Linux system without installing it as a server stuff, so how can you do that? So for that, first of all, open your Firefox browser and the Google, search for site:/phptinker.com. Okay. Now click on this first website which is phptinker.com. Now from here, click on this Linux and it will download a executable file for us. So as you can see, file got download. Now click to open the folder. Now we can close our Firefox. Okay. Now from here, extract this file. So as you can see, this is the file. Now click on right click and open your console application. Okay. Now little bit zoom down. If I type ls-l, as you can see, our PHP Tinker file does not have executable permission. So for providing executable permission, type sudo chmod +x and then the file name and hit enter. Provide your superuser password and hit enter. Now, as you can see, executable permission has been written. Now for installing this application, just clear the terminal and type sudo dpkg-i and then the file name .deb. As you can see, it started installing. Okay, so we get an error. So for solving this error, type sudo app install -f. Now type y and hit enter. So it will download something. So wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, file got download. I hope the file is here. So you can type php and you can see this is the file phptinker.com. So it started opening. Okay, so as you can see, our application got loaded, right? Now let's write a PHP script here. Let's say I write PHP and I write echo hello PHP. Okay. Now if I click on this run button, it shows an error. Okay. I cut the line. I cut everything and paste it like here. Now again run the file. Okay. For removing this type of PHP error, open your console and clear all the stuff. Now type sudo apt install php-cli and hit enter. Now hit enter. So it will download a PHP package for us. So as you can see, our PHP CLI installed. Now let's again open our software which is phptinker.com. So as you can see, file got started, or sorry, application got started. Now if I click on this run button, so as you can see, our output is here, right? Now let's write another PHP code. Okay, so as you can see, I have write a small code here, right? Now if I click on this run button, it shows name does not match. Why? Because all the letters in this word is small letter, but in the name to variable, the first letter is capital, so it shows name does not match. But let's say if I make this small and again hit the run button, it shows name matched. But wait, what is the real use of this PHP Tinker application? It basically helps you to beautify your code. So how can you do that? So as you can see, I have downloaded a project called Student Management System, which is built using PHP and MySQL. Now if I open up my this index.php file, so as you can see, the code is here, right? But the code is not in the beautify form. Now for beautifying this application, you can also use many times Visual Studio Code or any types of online code editor, but sometimes they does not work properly. So how can you just beautify this code? So for that, just select the code and copy the code. Now open your PHP Tinker application. As you can see, it started opening. it started loading. Okay, now delete the whole code and paste your code. Now you can drag this window like here. So as you can see, it's not in the good beautify form. So for beautifying this code, click on this icon which is shows format code. So as you can see, code formatted message is here, and our code is also properly formatted, right? It's already formatted, guys. So you can now copy the whole code, or you can run the code here also. So this is the basically usage of this PHP Tinker application, right? You can test your small PHP code, you can make your PHP code more beautify, or if you just made a spaghetti PHP code and you want to beautify your code, so you can also use this application and click on this format icon, which will help you to format your code. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next time.